super cool rainbow sensory writing tray. So, are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! For this amazing sensory writing tray, you will need a shallow tray, white paper or a piece of a whiteboard, some rainbow colored markers, paint or crayons. We will be using crayons, a pair of scissors, some glue, and some salt. This sensory tray is so simple to create and very exciting to use as a literacy learning tool for young kids. So let's get started. Step 1. Cut the paper or board to fit inside the tray. Now draw some lines for each color you will be using. And color the stripes of the rainbow in order until the white of the paper is covered up. Step 2. Glue the rainbow colored paper onto the tray to form the base. Sensory play stimulates fine motor skills and coordination sensory exploration. Step 3. Pour the salt into the tray. Now you can draw some patterns, letters, and pictures with your fingers in the salt. When writing in the tray, kids learn pre-writing pattern making, early letter formation, phoneme and grapheme correspondence, and name writing, etc.
Wow! I love this rainbow writing tray!
Well, thank you so much for watching, and remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you all next time. Goodbye.